What's up, guys? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com, and today's trade of the day is CATB. Now, this came off our scan, off our watch list today, and watching this thing pre-market as it gapped up. Turned out to be a nice gap and go into the cash market, and the play here was pretty simple. You can see right through here, there's that gap up, rallies up, sets that pre-market high, pulls back, and then we enter into the cash market. We got a little bit of activity right through here. What I was doing actually is just watching on some pullbacks, got long right through this situation right through here at 185. Took a couple pennies off of the trade, and then sold this stock as it started to pull back into the cash market. And then I was looking for that first cash market pullback to do the exact same thing. You can see the price action set up real nice right through here, and we traded trend line resistance breakout. And on this particular stock, again, we were in just below $2, and then this thing just exploded up to $2.38. Now, I'd love to tell you that I sold right through here at the top. I wanted to see if there was any more strength in this move. Indicators were telling me, time and sales were also telling me that price action was going to come off and the strength was coming down a little bit. So as price action came off, we decided to liquidate this entire position. So for the day, we put on 2 trades, same stock, same setup. Came from the exact same scan that we're using every single day. If you have any questions about how we're consistently profiting from the market, feel free to email me directly. Now, you can go actually into the description box below and sign up for our 7-step series. I walk you through what traders do before getting into a position. Very, very helpful, very successful. And through that, you can also email me directly at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, just a heads up, guys, we're going to be hosting a free webinar in just a few weeks. So if you do sign up for that 7-step series that we've been putting out there for free, that'll instantaneously get you into the free webinar that we're going to be hosting in just a few weeks. So don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel, hit that description box below, and sign up for the 7 steps that successful traders take before trading. And we'll also send you out an invite to our free webinar, the J. Lewis Trading Open House, that we'll be holding in just a few weeks. Thanks for watching.